We're going to turn to Jeff Ray now, not only talking about our weather, but the fact that the contradiction in terms of the state of California, that tough rains there, but some stuff they actually need.
Yeah, it's a cursed blessing, right? They've been in a drought for 20 years, and now they're talking about the biggest snowpack they've had in 20 years. You can see the rain is still going on across almost the entire state of California. How rare that is, but heavy rain, or at least a steady rain in Southern California, where they rarely get that rain. And as you saw in that report, they're getting about a half a year's supply in just the first 2 weeks of the year. But this is additional snow expected tonight in the Sierra, and you're talking about 2 to, in some places, 3 feet of snow. But how it sits right now, with still more of the season to go, Central Sierra has over 200% of normal snowpack, and the Southern Sierra has even more, getting close to 300%. So this is the most snow that's been sitting on those mountains in 2 decades. Now remember, this melts during the summer months and feeds the water supply in the valley. So this is going to be a banner year for water in an area that has been hit by drought for decades. Mild and breezy in the overnight hours. Get out this evening with a jacket because of the breeze and temperatures in the 50s, but all in all, it's just a beautiful afternoon, and it's a very nice evening, and it's a warm morning. Next 3 days, Sunday's high anticipated to be in the 70s. Our average high this time of year is in the mid-50s, but look, 70s across the board. Monday and Tuesday, these will be breezy days, by the way. On Martin Luther King Day, it will be windy. Now, we're back to warm temperatures, not like May, which was last week. That one day of January on Friday, yesterday, to be fair, Thursday afternoon was also in the 50s, but we're climbing back up. Today's high was 64, and then we're right back into mid-March temperatures as we talk about Sunday and beyond. The monthly summary shows that all these above normal highs, except for one, it's the third warmest start to January on record. Now, one thing you will notice, this air has been very dry. It's going to get a little humid tomorrow. That's good news for the eastern half, but out here, elevated fire risk is going to be a problem. So let's jump to the 7-day forecast. I'm going to show you some rain chances. Now, we haven't had measurable rain in January yet, but it looks like Tuesday night and Wednesday, a good chance of rain, maybe in some thunderstorms. But notice these fronts that come through do not have cold air behind it. The exception might be next weekend when we drop all the way down to normal.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.